going to show you a way that you can bookmark multiple tabs at the same time. So the first thing I did is I opened all of the tabs that I wanted to have open. Over here on the right, I've got these 3 dots. I'm going to click on those. I'm going to go down to bookmarks. And now I'm going to click on bookmark all tabs. Click that one time. And it's going to give me an option here. So I want to have a new folder, but I want it to be here under this. So I'm going to call it Parent Contact Quick Access. I'm going to click on Save. And now it should have saved here. If I go to my ISD 742 folder, there's a folder that says Parent Contact Quick Access, and there are all of my tabs that I had. So I'll show you now by going to a new window. I go there and I click on my folder. There's my folder, the ISD 742. Here's the folder I just made. Now I've got Google, my Skyward, Meet, all of those options. So I can either click on them one at a time to open them, which can be kind of a pain, or if I wanted to be more efficient about it, I could click on the folder, hover over this folder, make sure it has the ones that I want, and then I'm using a MacBook Air, so I'm going to press Control, then I'm going to click my mouse, and it gives me the option to open all 5 in new window, or open all 5 in incognito window. I'm going to choose just open all 5, and it automatically opened up those tabs for me that I just saved, in addition to the tab I already had open. So now here's my Google, Skyward, Student Plans, Google Meet, and South Homepage.